In this video, we will learn new words. First word is risk. Meaning of risk is possibility of something bad. Let us understand with the help of example. Houses near seas are at risk of flooding. Whenever we are talking about any situation or anything in which there is a possibility of risk, then we can use this word. Or you can say when there is a possibility of something bad that can happen, then you can use this word. Houses near seas are at a risk of flooding. Houses that are built near the seas may or may not be damaged after the flooding, or there is more chances that these houses are damaged more after the flooding. So here in this sentence the word risk is used. Next sentence is adventurous rides are very risky. Those rides that seems to be very dangerous are very risky. Next word is progress. Meaning of progress is to become better or good than before. Let us understand with the help of example. An incident occurs and the police officer said an inquiry is now in progress. It means he is searching for the person or the thing or the point on which the incident occurred or the person due to which the incident occurred. All students in the class are making progress. It means every student in the class are doing better than before. They are scoring good marks than before. Next word is habit. Meaning of habit is something that you do every time or always. For example, eating junk food is a bad habit. You should not eat junk food on daily basis. Why? Because it is a bad habit. Exercising daily is a good habit. If you exercise daily, you will be healthy. That's why it is a good habit. Delicious. Meaning of delicious is having good taste. For example, this food is delicious. OMG, this food is very tasty and this seems to be very delicious. Wow, your cake is delicious. This girl whose birthday is there and this girl's cake was very delicious. It means her cake was very tasty. Next word is absorb. Meaning of absorb is to take in or hold something. For example, plant absorb water from the soil. What does the plant do? It absorbs water from the soil. It means it take in water from the soil. Sponge absorb liquids. Sponge is a kind of material in which liquids are absorbed. It means the sponge take inside the liquid. Now your homework will be to make sentences with the help of these new words.